Mahaye GC News, Luma Bawumia Akwaba had the latest hot news in Kwanam the Bremo. So we can subscribe to the channel now. Message say over subscribe. The over ya say over click the subscribe button. Now fi what belly notification. We understand video biano was ever can be. I thought we are now like a video no give us a thumbs up. Now fi share my offer for so now we need be now war and I will win your echo. Afriyie here and some about the profit. Inti and some air cost. Inti something.
Dog, tell me, Pacho tell me. Wow. And that I have sat. I'm going to use President Akufo. Netan they are so for President Akufo Addo are so for the peace the church enjoyed under President Akufo is not the same as this. So for biabedi me krese assuring to say. And when they see say your inspirations doesn't support what they want to do, they are intentional, they attack you. I use myself as an example. In the last 8 years, dog, the way they have attacked me, and Mekra don't attack me, and now they attacking Owusu and Pan. My friend say, Mekra they feel say I'm against them. My prophetic inspiration so far against them.
Now only MPP for the go.
But 2016 I played a major role. 2016. Yes, I played. God used me to play a major role.
Akufo Kase asofo more supporting MPP.
Yeah,
Eba power.
Yeah.
I didn't think I feel them more turning against them. Is it because of your personal interest?
And
maybe about
most of them, Jefferson Saki, most of them at the office of the some of them they are ministers and deputy ministers. They come sit down 3-4 hours to wait for us. We pour oil on them. You understand? The late John Kuma last now di matem because me say no hon komena koji sika ekeka nsema things that are not worth it, things that are not worth of mentioning. These are people while they were in opposition. $1,000 can no money be and no more $30 million on my account. But the point must be established here that this government has for the church. This government habe me Oma Hakimi account and comfortable braba how they have attacked the church and that me interview I mean so attacking me. That is the nature. This MPP is not the J Akufo MPP. This MPP is not the Dr. Buzia MPP. This MPP is a different type of MPP. It is an inimical MPP. It is a divisive MPP. It is an MPP. If you don't control they come against you. Me so some of them some 1 or 2 African presidents and 2015, 2016, I held their hands. Some of them travel with them and give them to the president so they can help President Akufo Addo to come into power. And now they are yes.
And who invest here? Now also there. Who saw politicians and they are command another politician or foreign country. So more music.
That mean some more music.
What politician echo basically the about 2 about so. Send Yankupon Crampo, the way you want.
No, and you may pattern and say, only I couldn't be back, not only I couldn't back. You're bringing more chairs. I mean, Mammy good, I mean, and then we need morale. We need morale. Okay, so they come. Okay, let me say example. Somebody like ungrateful Jefferson Saki. I took Jefferson Saki to the president of Sierra Leone. NS His Excellency NS Bankroma. That time to help him. To have the MPP,
and then I'll pay Jefferson.
I don't need anything.
And then
no.
Yeah. And then 1 year ma won't hear what to me about Bontia Becasem say because Obi a 1 penny. You should be proud, sir. You made him. There are a lot of people. Ungrateful.
No, he's ungrateful because an oil that has been made, the oil is good. So I have all the pictures, not just him. Omuba power, and me and come on position, and ya do me almost and come not see Mustafa Hamid Hano. Oh, I did a lot of deep things. Or see you Hano. I did a lot of spiritual deep things before they gave him a chair. before they confirm him. And there are deep things that he even told me that because of confidentiality, I'll not say. Your friend,
on YouTube.
No, how am I saying? Roger, good to see you. How are you, sir?
No, maximum security.
Isaac, good to see all of you.
So I wouldn't saw the fire, but
another memorial coffee.
Yeah, my Roger Kunyano, producers number.
Okay, sir.
So Isaac, no, that's all India where you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No, we don't need anything, but to tell me by your TSA. And now for power. Since your friend across, since established, your friend across it's not about money. How much money will you give us? Nyame farmer and so on farmer.
Oh, so but we are sending a message. They say, oh yeah, government.
Let's drop that. Let's talk about something. Let's drop Jeff. He's a young man. Let's drop him. But he has been ungrateful to the altar that helped him. He has been ungrateful because he should not forget that I poured oil on him, and there are deep things.
Me to me say a year will be woman.
Yeah, a year will be.
Only so for Owusu bempa a year wa bamumu pa.
Yeah, too much.
Obi amabua MPP. A dear
Nyame afire so.
Nyankopo afamu so abua MPP.
Me ko tete sunsun ye tete nkrofo bebre asana onya post president manasa dari ni sa normal way na.
Oh, so that one he has been doing for the president.
No, what they are things that there are deep things I will not say here, but what I'm saying is that so all be a boa, so show be a boa, nyamidi for be boa. It's not about money. Appreciation is very important.
Shrine band who send people for aqua. Some politicians there who your politics are obeko ako traditional leaders, opinion leaders, and they are normal. Say obia ko obia gum kura or yes of oko no ko to say konfo bi ewe kura bi ase de tie bi a udi ni die ebemom enti se enunti na se bi a MPP e ka say the battle is the Lord no wan say wakọ okonfo bi nche ana say yaye nyankomade bi amana na no che say we fi nyankopo achi ana
me da wase bebre
because mox nyina amoko
me da se bebre so be we call mox as part of society's inter and intra Africa traditional religion is part of it. But so we ceremony na doc spare me that why me let me spend seconds because after they will attack me, they will come after me. They will come after me.
Oh, so and that's how they want to carry you.
No, let me be. They will. You see, this MPP is not the MPP that President Akufo Addo building, you know. And it's unfortunate. It's unfortunate. What kind of crowd they will attack you? They will attack you.
Now attack there. Software there. Attack there. Say.
Name attack there. Dog.
The battle is the Lord.
The battle is the Lord, and I said that the battle is the Lord. But me, you're John the Baptist. I don't think that the president has a Christian heart. Maybe if I have to put it in quota, if I have to put it right.
Of course, Christ the King.
It's one to go to church, is another being a practicing believer.
News on YouTube.
Just like I said,
any Christian heart.
no. What I'm saying is, I see you can say one thing and do the other thing. Saying is easy, but like I said, say president. He's the executive. Unfortunately, Ghana practices executive presidential system, not parliamentary. And so, if the president have that willing, intrinsic willing, say, me perceive sis adiana. I don't know commander say you bubu bungalows, lawyer for we judges for bungalows and all that. You bubu because that is executive president speaking. Sabachoti and say, and you see, yeah, dada Ghana for your penny credit bring penny credit dada home. You can send a that is the president. If the president says, hey, my mom $58 million, my mom a space of maybe 2 years. That is the president has spoken, and the actors involved will make sure say that will be done. But
not just a president, no.
Say and the president or was Secrét so basically national cathedral, or let's say 3 months ago, he can do something. And he's the president. Me fear, sorry, we me a president or me say yem proud is here, be proud. Your minute boss or. Say see a yempo on an yamidin or no I say in your boss. It's a boss make us backed by constitution and all so illegal. The Constitution supports it. It is our willingness so obesisa we cathedral and see it. And it's unfortunate that has become one of the ways of my massive wealth. There's a lot of corruption and scandals around all those stuff.
The board.
I'm a little bit down because I spoke about the galamsey and Oma hacking me pages now. All my pages on social media, pulling it down. So I spoke about galamsey. Me got 3 music awards and me almost say me presented the gospel art of the year. Until me we na the tour and church when I was preaching I spoke about it and he tried it tour. Right after that me pages me now I'm pulling it down.
Where then who say because
no, I'm not pointing
DJ president spoke about galamsey Obia Kasa Efa galamsey. It had it in
doctor Obi observer for the past 8 years I've not had it easy in Ghana. I've come under serious attack here and there, but the last one is what I'm saying. After church and when I talked about the galamsey, me Obi Uncle Prophet Nigel Gaisie, I have over one page with over 90,000 people, another page with over 130 and over 1,000 people. I'm not pulling me pages down. And so when you go on social media, everything of mine, I drew my mind for the past 27 years as a man of God. I didn't go social media, me TV, me BBA, they pull it down. It's down.
But you cannot attribute it to the government.
No, I'm not attributing it to the government. I'm just saying that they are pulling it down. I'm not attributing it to A, B, C, D or what. But what I'm saying is that why is it that right after I spoke about the galamsey and my all my social media handles have been pulled down. And we cannot build a nation like this because all of us cannot agree. All of us cannot go one way. You have one diversity, then we can head towards where the greater goal.
I don't know who focus on the word of God.
I always say commit to myself. But and nyame for Amos chapter 3 verse 7 ye kan ya nyame ese yenka anka there were different types of prophets. Your prophet ni phone bi ho a nyame am kingly oil kasa to systems, kings and chiefdoms. And I believe so over the years no my evidence support say nyame am me sound was I wish I refine young graduates and come in call but home listen so a no yit them no catch them no. It's about nations, it's about presidencies, it's about institutions.
We say a year NPP abai Owusu sisi ase they say the battle is the Lord. Yeah. The battle is the Lord. Inti omode nyamesem ebe dada.
And I want to say yes, right after this interview, from now to Expóse by attacking me, because that is what they do. They attack men of God. They have attacked the church. They have attacked the prophetic.
Prophet Kofi Dro
They attack all of them. They attack all of them. And before I sign off, I'll be saying some of the things that they are still plotting about the church, about men of God. And so what I'm saying is that you see, Doctor Obiotie Okebia
almost say omokono eye ewurade kono.
Yes.
Then on be attacking men of God.
That is what I'm saying. You see, omoka, they just use their mouth to say it, but they don't mean it. And then you mean just a few, and it's unfortunate say just a few no so no mukura to me no. It's not all the MPP people.
We say Sofo Owusu Bempase say on Kasama MPP bio he is disappointed.
Oh, dog me bow.
From 2000
dog what
2013.
Yeah.
Ye nim say Sofo Owusu Bempa wa former president Mahamadu Bawumia.
Right.
Otumi e hye come say ohu say obi kura wawu and some be but and now we say prophet what's it who send in some moja any ade some goes to wa share go ba mama time o share kompa
yeah pa but dog you see
but nanado time on share kom bia it had it na MPP for be attacking.
Okay, again Mensah da wase na meda obibi otie ase pacho MPP way is not like the Akufo MPP. The MPP that I have not lived for long, but the short time on earth, Medino. I've seen Rollins Abemu, I've seen Kufu Amemu, I've seen Mahamadu Mehu Atanos Amemu, and there have been 2 MPP. This is not the Edugwahin MPP. This is not the Dombo MPP. This is not the J.A. Kufuor MPP. So for Usubempa, Shweniguasia, baby a papoluma will be a michiano. Shweniguasia, Omo gu papano. Shweniguasia, don't pass up. Men go deep, men go deep. No, men go deep. Look at this. Minimum maker, that young guy, blind guy, number someone is car. Look at that young blind guy and someone all good so for Owusu them. Mama, so they did not attack men of God who they saw or the Mahamadu administration saw to be critical of. And someone so for Owusu them, me find so a can't find Mahamadu Mahamadu administration. So me come kota before I say baby from na be an alphabet. Oh, the Mamin Castle home with Bawumia and Sassia. Me ka pona your friend said, "I maybe me will say Subibi, but me timin kind." Dog, me will say Dr. Bawumia or Subibi or Sunsum, but me timin kind because say me can you back to me. Me can pona me pages na Attacked, but under Mahama the church enjoyed peace. Men of God enjoyed honor. So for Usubempa, nobody touched so for Usubempa under President Mahama. Onwa Abaya Nyamefan and Sasso, he played a pivotal role. Look, they've taken him to the gutters. They are taking so for Usubempa to the gutters. Or not Napam and then was said down so Ebe Kwetia Bawe even at the December post. His covenant to fight them. What they have done to the great man of God. And at MDD, I thought there would be elders.
Oh yes, so for Nankov would do a temwa. Send you Peter, Wamodieno, Paul, Wamodieno, Esiafo, Yesu Christo cry, ye would I jinkwa, Adiani Afane, ye cry Puno. Man who say Yesu abo beadia. Man to say Yesu, a casse, Adia Miami.
No, whatever, because this is so and our hello. So we will subscribe to the channel now, Mr. Say, over subscribe. Na walike na fi wa share video no ama ofoforo so enyi bi na wahwe we so betimi akere wadin Afriyie se we yira ho ewo comment box no mobati interview in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.